Hello and welcome to the 37th video lecture of Quantitative Techniques Semester 3 Module number 3. In today's video lecture we are taking one more problem on mathematical expectation. Now this is problem number 2. The problem goes like this. This is generally asked for 5-mark section. From the following data calculate E of x, variance of x and standard deviation of x. The values of x and p of x are given just like previous thing. Only a previous problem. Only extra things that they have asked is variance of x and standard deviation of x. The value of x when it is 0, the probability that x becomes 0 is 0.2. The probability that x takes the value of 2 is 0.3 and so on. So the table is given to you in the question paper itself. Now there you are supposed to find out these three things. Solution. We know that no need to write all these things. Just I'm showing you this so that you can brush up with the formulae, or else you can directly start with the table itself in the examination. We know that, see, E of x we can directly find out just like what we had done in a previous problem. Variance of x formula is, variance of x is E of x square minus E of x the whole square. This is E of x square. This is E of x and its square. And then standard deviation of x, we know that it is always square root of variance. So variance, whatever you find in this step, has to put under square root sign. Let us see how to solve it in our question paper if it comes. So the problem is given here. Copy this as it is. X and p of x values are copied here. Just see whether all the values of x are given. How do you know this? If you add up all p of x values, you should get 1. Are you getting 1? Yes, you are getting 1. That means they have given all the values of x and no value of x is skipped. Okay, the value of p of x should always be equal to 1. The next thing what we have to do is we have to find e of x first. To find e of x, we know that it is equal to summation of x into p of x. So what we have to do to find e of x, always we have to multiply x and p of x. X and p of x. So what is 0 into 0 0.2? 0. 2 into 0 0.3? 0 0.6. 4 into 0 0.3, that is 1.2. And 6 into 0 0.2 is 1.2. Then add up all this. You will get summation of x into p of x. That is nothing but 3. Okay. Once you get this value, you have got e of x. The next step is we have to find out variance of x. This is nothing but e of x. E of x is nothing but summation of x into p of x. Now the next is variance of x. How do you find variance of x? Variance of x formula, we know this. Okay, we know e of x now. We have found out just now. So what is e of x square? We have to find e of x square. So for that we need x square. Okay, whatever is there in this bracket, okay, the e of whatever thing is there in the bracket, that we need here. Okay, x square. Here x is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, x square we have got. Now x square into p of x we need. Okay, so 0 into p of x is 0 0.2. 0. 4 into 0 0.3, that is nothing but 1.2. 1.6 into 0 0.3 is 4.8. 3.6 into 0 0.2 is 7.2. Okay, and then you sum up all this, you will get summation of x square into p of x. Fine. So what is this summation of x square into p of x? It is nothing but e of x square. I've told you, remember this one thing always, e of any function is equals to that function whatever is here in summation of that function whatever is there multiplied by p of x. So if it is e of x you're finding, it is summation of x into p of x. If you're finding e of x square, it is summation of x square into p of x. So summation of x into p of x is nothing but e of x. Summation of x square into p of x is nothing but e of x square. Right, so we have got e of x. What is the value of e of x? E of x is nothing but summation of x into p of x, which is equals to 3. We have got this value. Directly you can write it. E of x square is summation of x square into p of x. See, whatever is there in this bracket, summation of that multiplied by p of x, which is equals to 13.2. We have got this. Fine. Now, variance of x. Substitute it in this formula, what we know. So, after substitution in this formula, we get e of x square. What is e of x square? 13.2 minus e of x the whole square. E of x is 9. 3 square, that is nothing but 9. So 13.2 minus 9 is 4.2. Next, SD of x. SD of x is nothing but square root of variance, which is equals to square root of 4.2. Square root of 4.2 is 2 point something. Find out using a calculator. So that is a final answer. So SD of x is 2 point something. Whatever answer comes, you have to write here. So with this, we complete today's video class. If you have any difficulties, you can always contact us.